हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द न्यू वीडियो। हाँ, पता है बहुत मंथ्स बाद यूट्यूब पे वीडियो डाल रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैं थोड़ा स्टडीज़ और बिजनेस के वर्क में बिजी था और मेन चीज़ कि यूट्यूब का मुझे सब खुद मैनेज करना पड़ता था। सो आई थॉट कि यूट्यूब को थोड़ा ब्रेक देके बिजनेस और स्टडी पे ज़्यादा फोकस किया जाए। बट फ्रॉम नाउ आई विल ट्राई टू अपलोड 1 वीडियो पर वीक कंसिस्टेंटली। सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर ड्यू, let's get started with today's video. Today I'm going to talk about 5 things I wish I knew when I started my business. The main reason behind making this video is to make people aware of the things that they should know, because there was no one who told me when I started my online business. So if you are planning to start an online business, this video will definitely help you. First thing I wish I knew was building a successful online business takes time. Most of the people today thinks that starting and building an online business is easy. I also thought the same. That was the reason behind my starting an online business. But after gaining some experience and after working for some time, I got to know that it will take time if I want to build a successful online business. So if you are planning to start an online business, you should consistently focus for 3 to 4 years without expecting anything in return. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप बिजनेस स्टार्ट करोगे और 4-5 दिन में आप लाखों कमाओगे। ऐसा किसी भी फील्ड में नहीं हो सकता। सो इफ़ यू आर प्लानिंग, यू हैव टू बी पेशेंट। सेकेंड थिंग आई विच आई न्यू वॉज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ मेंटर, बिकॉज वेन आई स्टार्टेड माई जर्नी आई वॉज लाइक आई नो एवरीथिंग, आई हैव सोल्यूशन टू ऑल माई प्रॉब्लम्स। बट आफ्टर गेटिंग सम डिफिकल्टीज इन माई बिजनेस, I was literally spending 5 to 6 hours daily on finding the solution. That time I got to know that having a mentor is important if you want to build a successful online business, because a mentor or an experienced person has gone through all the problems that you are facing right now. So rather than spending 5 to 6 hours daily on finding one problem solution, find a mentor who can help you throughout your whole journey and help you grow in your business. Third thing I wish I knew was building a team is important for successful business. Because rather than doing Facebook ad, Google ad, graphic designing, content writing, video editing, clients meeting all alone, build a team so that you can distribute your work and grow your business 10x. Fourth thing I wish I knew was don't chase shiny object. Because जब मैंने चालू किया था तब पहले 15 दिन में एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग करता था, फिर बाकी के 10 दिन में ई कॉमर्स करता था, फिर 15 दिन में फ्रीलांसिंग करता था। बिकॉज आई वॉज जस्ट चेजिंग शाइनी ऑब्जेक्ट। आई वॉज लिसनिंग टू ए रैंडम गाय seeing in Facebook or Instagram ad that I earned $5,000 from freelancing, I earned $10,000 from e-commerce. I was just chasing them and just chasing shiny object. But after some time I got to know that I have to focus on one thing if I want to grow in long term. So I decided to focus on social media marketing agency, and till today I'm still focusing on only one thing, no shiny object. So if you are starting, don't chase shiny object, decide what you want to do and focus on that one thing for 2 to 3 years. अगर ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक करिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। अब से रेगुलर वीकली कंटेंट आएगा यूट्यूब पे। सो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।